decide if these are functions when you look at the graph. Do a vertical line test. If any single vertical line hits it in more than one place, then it's not a function. B, no matter where we put the vertical line, it hits it in at most one place. Now when you're looking at a table of values, look at your x values. If all your x values are different, then it's a function. If any single x value goes to more than one place, then it's not a function. So relation D is not a function because 7 goes to 6, 7 also goes to -2. Number 2, we're writing an equation in function notation to represent the situation. Pick a letter to represent the number of additional flavors. I'll use N. And some letter for the total cost. I'll use C for cost. Cost is a function of the number of additional flavors, and it's equal to $3 plus 50 cents times the number of additional flavors. Or you could write it this way. So either of these would work fine. Function notation is the left-hand side of that equation. Average rate of change. Rate of change is the same thing as slope. Slope formula says y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So locate your points. At 1995, population was 3,495. $3,499, I should say. And then in 2005, population was 3,845. Label your points, substitute into the slope formula. So on top we have 3,845 minus 3,499. On the bottom, 2005 minus 1995. Subtract, we get 346 over 10. Divide that, and so we get average rate of change of 34.6 people per year. Slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Look at it and tell that the b is 1. Now figure out your slope. Go down 2 to the right 3, so our slope is -2/3. Y equals mx plus b. Substitute in, we have y equals -2/3 x plus 1. Increasing uphill from left to right, that happens everywhere to the left of 1. Decreasing everything to the right of 1. X is greater than 1. Positive means above the x-axis. So that happens between 0 and 2. F of x negative, that means below the x-axis. Two separate pieces, everything to the left of 0. Second piece, everything to the right of 2. First of all, let's take this inequality and get it into slope-intercept form. Subtract x. Not like terms, you can't combine them. To get rid of multiplying by a -1, divide everything by a -1, every sign changes. When you multiply or divide both sides of an inequality by a negative, reverse the inequality symbol. So our our y-intercept is 2, our slope is 1 over 1. Up 1 to the right 1, you can also go down 1 to the left 1. Solid line. Greater than, you shade above. Make sure you're looking at slope-intercept form when you do your shading. These intersect in 1 point, 1 solution. Part B, you have parallel lines, so that's no solution, no points in common. And in part C, they're right on top of each other, so all the points on one are on the other, so infinitely many solutions. First one on 8, our slope is 1/3, y-intercept's -2. Plot a point at -2, then go up 1 to the right 3. You can also go down 1 to the left 3. For the second one, slope's -2/1, y-intercept's -2. Put a point at -2, go down 2 to the right 1. And you should be seeing that they intersect at the point 0, -2. X equals -1. Find -1 on the x-axis, draw your vertical line. Second one, our slope is -3/1. Y-intercept's 1, so put a point at 1, go up 3 to the right 1. Sorry, down 3 to the 1. Down 3 to the right 1. Or up 3 into the left 1. Connect those, you should see them intersecting at the point -1, 4. Y equals 2x plus 4, so we're going to replace y in the second equation with 2x plus 4. Distribute to get rid of the parentheses. -2 times 2x, -4x, -2 times 4 is -8. Combine like terms. 5x minus 4x is 1x, or just x. And then add 8 to each side. So x is 23. Now to figure out y, we'll take this and plug it back in. Multiply, you get 46, and then add, you get 50. Elimination, you already have opposite coefficients on your y, so you're ready to add your equations together. Get -1x, y's are eliminated, and then equal to 7. Get rid of multiplying by -1, divide both sides by -1, and x is -7. To find y, take this and plug it back in. You can go to either equation. I guess I'll go with the second one. Replace x with -7. Multiply, get -28. Two-step equation from here. Add 28 to each side to get 36 on the right side. To get rid of multiplying by 4, divide by 4 on each side, and so y is 9. Put it together as an ordered pair, x, then y. Number 11, you'll write two equations. You have absolute value of x minus 1 equal to 10. So two equations, x minus 1 equals 10, or x minus 1 equals -10. Add 1, you get 11. X equals 11 is one of our solutions. Add 1, you get negative 9 for the other solution. Absolute value equal to a negative, no solution every time. We can't take the absolute value of something and get a negative answer. To get rid of the parentheses, distribute. Get the variables on one side, constants on the other side, and divide by the coefficient. So we have 9 plus 5c less than negative 6. Subtract 9. You have 5c is less than negative 15. Divide by 5. We're dividing by positive, so do not change the inequality symbol. C is less than negative 3. At this point, you're probably familiar with linear. That's a straight line like choice C. Absolute value always looks like a V. Step function looks like steps. Exponential decay is a curve going downhill from left to right. Exponential growth is a curve where it goes uphill from left to right. To solve for A, we want to get rid of minus B, so add B to each side. Not like terms, you can't combine them, so A equals C plus B, or you could write B plus C. To get rid of multiplying by 2, divide by 2, M is less than or equal to 9. Plug in each of these values and see if they give you a true statement. If it's true, then it's a solution. If it's false, it's not a solution. Plugging in the first one, you'll multiply before you add. And you get 10 equal to 12. That's false, so it's not a solution. You put 2 in there. Now we'll have 8 plus 4, which is 12. 12 equals 12. That's a solution. Notice it says choose all that apply, so keep on trying these. You put in 4, negative 2. 4 times 4 is 16. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. 16 plus negative 4 is 12, so that's also a solution. Plugging in 3, 0. 4 times 3 is 12. 2 times 0 is 0. 12 plus 0 is 12. Choice D is the solution as well. Put in 0 and 6. You get 0 when you do 4 times 0. 2 times 6, 12. 0 plus 12 is 12. So in this case, all of them worked except for choice A. So all of those are points on the line. To write an inequality for this graph, you've got x, you've got 4. It's to the left, so it's less than. It's colored in point, so it's or equal to. What value of x makes the equation true? Let's solve the equation and that'll tell us. Got variables on both sides. Let's get the variables on one side, constants on the other side, and we'll divide by the coefficient. To get rid of the minus 18, add 18, you get 39. So 3x equals 39, divide by 3, and you get 13. So the x value that makes the equation true is x equals 13. To get rid of plus 2, subtract 2. We're trying to solve this for x. To get rid of multiplying by a negative 4, divide by a negative 4. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Check out more on my website.